This is the HTC Vive controller, a controller for virtual reality environments. But before I show you how it works, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is a controller specially developed to allow interaction with virtual reality, which allows the user to interact with the virtual world. This controller communicates the position, rotation and movements with the virtual reality equipment, reproducing the interaction and movements in the virtual environment in which you are in. With this controller, you have the ability to directly reproduce all your physical movements in virtual reality. In addition to movements, this controller also allows tactile interaction with a rotary selector and a trigger, which allows you to select, press or activate different types of interactions you see in the virtual environment. And as this controller doesn't have wires, it allows greater freedom of movement, allowing you to move in a three-dimensional space. With tactile feedback, the virtual reality experience will become more immersive and real, as you physically feel the consequences of your virtual reality interaction with the digital elements. You can use just one controller or use two controllers, one in each hand. This will depend on the type of interaction you want to do, or the type of game or virtual reality application you want to interact with. About the technical characteristics, the HTC Vive controller has 24 sensors, which detect your every movement and rotation. For interaction, you can use the rotary selector to change options, or press a button to activate functions. It has no wires, so you can walk everywhere without being dependent on the length of a wire. It has a rechargeable battery, charged via micro USB, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries. And it weighs just 203 grams. This is one of the best virtual reality controllers compatible with different systems. But in the coming weeks, I will show you several virtual reality projects and how I interact with virtual environments. I will show you how to build buildings, complete tasks in games, explore cultural spaces, or discover new cities, all using the virtual reality glasses. If you haven't tried virtual reality yet, I advise you to do it, because virtual reality is a technology capable of tricking your senses, where the computer system generates visual, sound and tactile effects, creating a complete immersion in a simulated environment. And you can see and explore completely different virtual environments in your own home. And it's an experience you will enjoy. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, and I'm going to show you several virtual reality projects I'm developing.